When you're 7 and absolutely convinced God will make your dog talk if you pray hard enough. I spent weeks asking God to help Buddy speak English, just like Balaam's donkey in the Bible. Every morning, I'd wake up expecting full conversations about treats and walks. Instead, I got the same excited barks and tail wags. But you know what? Maybe God was already letting Buddy speak, just in his own special language of love, loyalty, and endless enthusiasm. Sometimes the best conversations don't need words at all.